Hi everyone, back again. I'm painting abstract roses on a number of cards actually to send out to family. Easily done. Watercolour paper, 12 inches by 6. I've sectioned off 1/2 of it so it's 6 by 6 square. Wet the card with water in a diagonal direction. Using green, blue and pinks, create marks on the paper. Now I knew I was going to do flowers, so use the marks to sort of look flower-like, but didn't do anything particularly special with them, just sort of a few marks, blotches, shapes, and then let the colours run and leave them alone, let it dry completely. Then a black waterproof pen, and looking at the marks you've made, you'll start to see what looks like flowers appearing. It's really quite amazing. And after that you can then create your little roses. They're quite easy to do, and you know, build up a nice little picture. It's very forgiving. Here you'll see I did 2 roses to start with and decided in the end I just wanted one, so just squiggled over the top of the 2 and turned it into 1 rose. So you know, it doesn't really matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, it's amazing just how great they turn out. A few lines for the stalks, the little marks in the middle of the flower. I don't know whether they're cornflowers or what they are, but you know, does it matter? Thoroughly enjoyed doing it, just reinforcing the shapes here of the roses, make them a little bit more interesting. Need to use a waterproof pen because otherwise it might run if you get any moisture on it. Now looking to see where I can see leaves and the like within the painting, and you know, what sort of shapes I can create them. You know, nothing difficult. Right, now that's done, I decided to have a go at a envelope. Now the paint wasn't as wet because the paper on the envelope is very thin, so just made a few marks, let the colours merge and dry completely, then went back in with the black waterproof pen. It does need to be waterproof on an envelope just in case that gets wet. Made the marks, and yeah, it makes a nice little cheery envelope to land on the doorstep for somebody. I'm sending these out to my family because I haven't seen them for a while, so I've made a number of these cards. Here's another one that I've done on the same style of what I've just shown you, and they make you know, great little cards, and whoever gets them, I'm sure they'll be absolutely thrilled. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.